My name is Sheikh Nuruddin. I have studied in applied mathematics, fluid mechanics, and I have bachelor degree in mathematics. Now we will explain a lesson 4 in math for 4th grade first term. The lesson name is multiples. I hope you enjoy my explanation. Our plan in this lesson, we will speak about 6 points. The first point will speak about the measure of multiples, as you can see. The second point, we will speak about the meaning of multiples. The third point, finding multiples for some numbers like 1 and 2 and 3 and another number, and we will see how we can find the multiples of any numbers. The fourth point in our lesson plan, we will speak about some remarks, and we would remember these markers. And the fifth point, common multiples. What is the common multiples and how we can find some common multiples for some numbers. And the last point in our lesson will be some exercise. We will speak in the first point about the meaning of multiples. We mean by the word multiples that the result of repeating the number sometimes. We have, for example, number 2, and we will repeat it 2 times. 2 plus 2, or 2 times 2, which equals 4. And we can find the multiples of number 6. Multiples of number 6, we can repeat number 6 only 1 time. 6 times 1 equals 6. And 6 repeated 2 times, 6 times 2 equals 12, and 6 repeated 3 times, 6 times 6, 6 plus 6 plus 6, which equals 6 times 3 equals 18. And we have a photo. Nice photo means multiples. Multiples, we can see in this photo, this bird has repeated some times, and you see all this. All this called the multiples of the bird. Now we have another point in our lesson. It is the mathematical meaning of multiples. The mathematical meaning of multiples is the result of multiplying a number. It may be 0 or 2 or 5 or 6 or 100, any number. We would find its multiple. What we can do, the result of multiplying this number, 0 or 2 or 5, by an integer. What is the meaning of integer? It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, if I want to find the multiple of 5, 5 times 0, 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4, 5 times 6, and so on. Let's have some fun. This is a bird, only one bird. If we repeated this bird 2 times, we will get 2 birds. If we repeated this bird 3 times, we will get 3 birds. If we repeat this bird, the first system, the first one, 4 times, we get 4 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another example for this, we have 2 birds. We repeated them 2 times. 2 birds repeated 2 times. We will have 4. And the third one, we have 2 birds. The first 2 birds repeated 3 times. And we can see 0 multiple as 6. And if we repeated the 2 birds 4 times, as we can see on the screen, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which means 8. 8 means that we repeated the 2 birds, the first 2 birds, the first system 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The product of this 2 times 4 equals 8. Now let's speak about how we can find the multiples of some numbers, like the simplest one and 2. We can find the multiples of 1. What is the meaning of multiples? As we can see, repeated 1 times, repeated 2 times, repeated 1 3 times, repeated 1 4 times, and so on. The multiples 1 mean 1 repeated 0 times, not repeated. 1 repeated 1 time, 2, 1 repeated 2 times, 1 repeated 3 times, 1 repeated 4 times, 1 repeated 4 times. This is not the last one. We must know we can continue to infinitely. Mean no number can. Any integer we can times 1 get the multiples of 1. As we can see, 0. 1 times 0 equals 0, 1 times 1 equals 1, 1 times 2 equals 2, 1 times 3 equals 3, 1 times 4 equals 4, 1 times 5 equals 5, 1 times 6 equals 6. We see that 1 times any number, the multiple of 1. 6 mean 1 times 6, 7 mean 1 times 7, 8 mean 1 times 8, and so on. Now we can find another multiples of another number, which is 2. Now how can I find the multiples of 2? Multiples of 2 mean, again, repeating 2. Only 1 times, only 2 times, only 3 times, only 4 times, only 5 times, and so on. And we must realize that 2 times 5 not the only multiples of 2. We can find another multiples of 2. How? 2 times the number of integer number you want. We can do 2 times 8 equal 2 times 8 equals 16, 2 times 9 equals 18, and so on. 2 times 100 equals 200. The product 200 is a multiple of 2.